Welcome back. Today we'll look at paper 23 of the May-June 2023 series. Question 4. A function MakeString will take two parameters, a count as an integer and a character. It will then generate a string of length equal to the count made up of the character. And 3, it will return the string generated or return error if the count is less than 1. For example, MakeString 3 and then z will return z. Alright, so let's just jump in. I mean, this one is hopefully not too difficult. Alright, so what we want to do, let's just go function. This will be MakeString. And if we see, it takes a count as an integer. Then it takes a character. Maybe let's call that ch. And then, here it's going to, let's say, return string. Okay, and then, I mean, I guess first if we want, we can declare a variable, and this will store the kind of generated string, right, or the string that we're concatenating to. So maybe let's call that str, right, that can be string. And let's just assign this just as being an empty string. Now I think here we can then check this condition, kind of part 3, right? So let's just check if count is less than 1, right? Then we will just return error. And if we look, right, this should be in all caps. Okay, then we can have an else condition, and here is where we just want to concatenate to this string. So let's go n. Right, so this will start at 1, and then we will just go to the count, okay, because this is how many times we want the character. Right, then, just to concatenate the string, we just get str, right, that's going to assign, we're going to assign str, right, and then and the character. Okay, there we go, and if we then just go next n, right, then let's go end if, and here let's make sure to return, right, str, and let's go end function. Alright, so hopefully that should be okay. I mean, let's see if I've made any mistakes. Okay, let's go MakeString, and we'll just say count of 0. And for example, let's say a. And of course, this should return error. Okay, right, that seems fine. Alright, let's try 1. Okay, that's a. And I mean, if we want, we could actually have this in a loop just to test it. So let's go for, maybe 1, and we'll go to 10. And then what we'll do is, let's just set this to be n. And then we'll just go next n. Alright. And in fact, hang on, let's actually go from 0 to 10. So we see error, and then, okay, we can see this is correctly working. Alright, so hopefully this makes sense, and hope to see you again in the next video.